Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PandaDoc with Pipedrive proposals, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate PandaDoc with Pipedrive proposals, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings menu by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select the marketplace option from the drop-down. In the marketplace, search for PandaDoc using the search bar. Click on the PandaDoc integration option from the search results. You will see an Install button on the PandaDoc integration page. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will need to authenticate your PandaDoc account. Log into your PandaDoc account when prompted. Authorize the connection between PandaDoc and Pipedrive by allowing necessary permissions. After authentication, return to your Pipedrive account. Go to your pipeline view to create a new proposal. Choose an existing deal or create a new deal in Pipedrive. In the deal details, look for the Create Proposal button powered by PandaDoc. Click on the Create Proposal button to initiate the creation of your proposal. Select a template from PandaDoc or start from scratch. Customize the proposal by adding relevant information, documents, and pricing. Once you finish editing, you can preview the proposal. After reviewing, click the Send button to send the proposal to your client. Your client will receive an email with a link to view and sign the proposal. Monitor the proposal status directly in Pipedrive to track client engagement. Congratulations, you have successfully activated PandaDoc with Pipedrive proposals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.